Hey, what are you guys doing here? You want a tour, don't you? All right, come on in. I'm in a good mood. So, how could I not be in a good mood when I'm in a house like this, guys? So, I'm in the Windermere neighborhood of San Ramon. Gorgeous neighborhood. I mean, I could literally be here for 10 minutes talking about all the wonderful amenities that you have nearby. So I'll point out some highlights just starting from the neighborhood. So you have a fantastic elementary school in Windermere. Then you have, what's another one, Kason, the middle school called? Hidden Ranch. So hey, I'm gonna get help from everyone on my team. Hidden Ranch. Then you have Doherty Valley. All of these are top ranked schools. So also you have Safeway right down the street, very convenient. If you like golf, you have the Bridges Golf Course, super close by, along with the country club. You have a putting area there so that you could putt and practice your swing. A lot of really cool stuff like that. You have a park right around the corner of this house. I mean, honestly, so much. You have Bishop Ranch, all those nice corporate companies there. You have the lot with so many great stores, entertainment, movie theater, and that's just there. Let's take you now to the neighborhood. This is Windermere. Windermere is known for being so family friendly, lots of activities throughout the year, but you know, let me show you the house. I've said enough about the outside, now let me take you in. Starting here downstairs, you're greeted by this nice wide entryway, hardwood floors, nice white walls, white LED light bulbs throughout this house, which makes the house feel bright, clean, inviting. You have your long driveway here to the right with a sliding door for easy access to get to your driveway. Inside the house, you have a guest room downstairs. That's everybody's checklist. You have to have a downstairs guest bedroom, which is perfect for, you know, overnighters and stuff like that. Full bathroom so that they can have their privacy in their own areas. Let's go inside and let me show you inside. You're greeted with a nice spacious living room, super impressive high ceilings here with a nice stairway leading to the bedrooms upstairs, but we'll see those in a bit. Come with me. Right here you have access to your very spacious garage, and as you walk in, you get to see all this. I mean, windows all around the back, amazing kitchen with a large island. You have Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero refrigerator, the best of the best. An amazing family area with a fireplace. And right on the other side of this family room, you have an amazing office. Amazing cabinetry, really nice storage areas throughout. Also has a closet, so this could double as a bedroom, another bedroom. So if you needed 2 downstairs bedrooms, this could definitely be a bedroom. So we'll have them highlight the closet, and then you can see a lot of shelving. This is a really nice executive feeling office. You can make this whatever you'd like. Let's kind of walk towards here. Obviously the kitchen has tons of cabinet storage space, but let's head over here to the backyard. They did stamped concrete. I'll wait to see if you need to adjust your ISO. So you're good? Okay. So you have nice stamped concrete. You have already the infrastructure for a covered porch. You could decide to go with sails. You could do some other type of covering if you wanted to do something, but the main part is already installed. You have a nice patio area, little gazebo area. You have this area here that you could put grass. You could do so many different things. And then over here on this side, you have an outdoor kitchen. Barbecue, you have a fridge, you have a warmer, you have all sorts of nice things. And you have fruit trees along the side. You have a lot of space to do planting, gardening, whatever you'd like to do. To me, it's all about potential that you have in a home. And this house has it all. You have a fire pit in the middle so you could sit around and, you know, I can imagine making s'mores with the kids here at night. So much potential to do whatever it is you want. Let's go inside. This is a big house. This house is 4,200 and like 32 square feet. So there's a lot to see. All right, so you have a nice solid wood banister with metal rails. Nice little sitting nook area there so you could read a book. Again, very elegant shelving, all hardwood built in, beautiful, true hardwood furniture that was custom made for this house. So, you know, it's that executive level home that this is. It has all of those premium features. Let's walk into the master bedroom. I don't know about you, but this is a true primary bedroom. This is luxurious, spacious, again, beautiful built-ins, tons of space. You could probably put 2 king beds side by side. I mean, you have views of the hills, great window space. So you have a lot of light just flooding the house. Lots of great room here. What's a master bedroom without a great closet? You have a walk-in closet right here that can fit a lot of clothing. All right, you have the water closet here. And just in case you didn't have enough in that room, you have another walk-in closet here. You have his and her sinks, and then you have another seating area here. So, you know, the lady or the guy, whoever, or both, or whoever, can sit down and enjoy and get ready for a nice evening out. Plenty of counter space, sitting area, really cool. You have a jetted tub with a separate shower. So, you know, really good size. Let's see if Kason can capture this. There's a sitting area here. You know, really cool sitting area. There you go. Heavy duty doors. And that's the bathroom. Let's go to the other parts of the house. All right, now as we head over to the living quarters for children and guests, we're greeted with this guest room upstairs. Let's come inside, I'll show you. Again, super spacious bedroom, easily fit a king size bed, a desk. This would be a great teenager room because they also have a walk-in closet, their own private bathroom, which tell me a teenager that wouldn't just love to have this room. So you can truly spoil yourself in indulging in them. And as we go around here, I really love this area. If I was a kid, I'd go crazy. So you have a hanging bunk bed, which I think is super cool. You have super amount of space. You have storage area, which we all know with kids, you need a lot of space for storage. We have it displayed as a kids area, play area, but you could use this for whatever you want. You have this bedroom because it is considered a bedroom because you have a closet, and it's connected. Can you follow me? It's connected through into a Jack and Jill bathroom connected to the next bedroom. So you have, you know, 2 sinks, another full shower that is shared by both of these bedrooms. And in this case, we went with a girl's room, really cute but spacious and nice. So plenty of room. What else? Come on over here. And for those kids that are privileged enough to have these 2 rooms, they also have a homework nook, a study area. So there's rooms here for bookshelves, homework, you know, zone basically just for them. So I think this is really neat. And with amazing views. So if I had to do my homework, I mean, this would be where I'd want to be as well. You have the laundry room up here with a sink. So, you know, nice full-size machines could fit here. Plenty of space. And again, guys, this home is not only large, it's impressive. Sometimes you walk into a big home and it just loses like a little bit of that warmth. This house not only is spacious, but it also feels really warm. It feels really inviting. And to me, that's a crucial thing that comes with a great floor plan. And that's what this house has. Not only is it large, but it has a really warm feeling. From the moment you walk in, you feel connected. So I hope you really enjoyed this tour. I really enjoy visiting this home and seeing all the preparation that went into it. And I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys on the next tour. Take care.